Okay, we're taking up Chapter 2 now, and we're continuing our review of previously learned material, or at least material we hope you've previously learned. We're going to talk about encapsulation and decapsulation at this point. Now, encapsulation occurs as data travels down this OSI model here. So we've talked about before the fact that you have headers, and then more headers, and then more headers and trailers added onto this data. So this data becomes encapsulated, kind of like those Russian matryoshka dolls that stack and nest inside of each other. It's kind of that concept. Or imagine a medicine capsule, put in a larger capsule, put in a larger capsule, and like that. So that we call encapsulation. We also have decapsulation, which occurs on the receiving side. So as data is received at the lower layers, those headers and trailers are stripped off one at a time until that data finally is passed to the final program that generated, or the opposite program, corresponding program that generated it in the first place. So the upshot of all this is that at any given layer, what the two computers see are exact duplicates of what's on the other side. So here at the network layer, you can see we have an exact duplicate of what we had on the network layer on this side. And that is the whole concept of encapsulation and decapsulation, the ability to create an exact duplicate. Now, there might be times when data travels through, say, a router and then a switch, and then back through a router and back through a switch again. Well, what's going on is it's bouncing back and forth, and as it bounces back and forth, it's adding the header, taking off the header, adding the header, taking off the header, and so on. So it can actually bounce these back and forth at some points, and then once it gets finally passed up to the next computer, that decapsulation continues. So that's the idea of encapsulation and decapsulation, terms that you should understand for this class, and hopefully that you already had a handle on.